Namaste. Hi children, how are you? Yeah, I am fine. So today one more word problem. Page number 19. In a village there are 2,56,845 women. Number of men in the village is 36,560 more than the number of women. Did you understand? Number of men in the village is 36,560 more than the number of women. Number of children is 1,26,245 less than the number of men. How many men and children are there in that village? So village undi nana. ఆ విలేజ్లో 2,56,845 women are there. But here 36,560 men more than the women. అంటే ఉన్న ఉమెన్ ఎంత ఉన్నారు? The women are in the village 2,56,845 plus 36,560, you can get number of men in the village. Now next, number of children means 1,26,245 less than the number of men. Number of men kante 1,26,245 less than. So you can write here number of women. Number of women is equals to 2,56,845. So number of men. Number of men means, so number of men in the village is 36,560 more than the women. Means women, number of women 2,56,845 plus 36,560, you can get number of men. See here, 2,56,845 36,560. See, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 3 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 2. So, thus, number of men in the village is equals to 2,93,405. Next, number of children. Number of children is 1,26,245 less than the men. See here, number of children. Number of children is equals to 1,26,245 subtract from total number of men. See here, you can write 2,93,405 minus 1,26,245. Two lakh 93,405 minus 1,26,245. 26,245. See here, 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 4 possible, not possible. So take borrowing from 4, it can last 1, here 10, here 3. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 2, 1, it is possible. 3 minus 6 possible, not possible, take borrowing from 9. So 9 it can use 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Here 9 it can last, here 1. 13 minus 6, 7. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So thus, number of children is equals to 1,67,160. 160. So now next page number 20, multiplication of large numbers. Multiplication of large numbers. This is very easy. Listen carefully. Multiplication of large numbers. You know multiplication? We have learned. Already we have learned in previous classes. Okay. Now here page number 20, everybody open. This is very easy. See here. A restaurant buys 900 kilogram. Kg means kilogram. Rice every month. A restaurant buys 900 kilograms rice every month. The cost of the rice per 1 kg is 40 rupees. What is the cost of 900 kg rice? See, very simple. Here, cost of 1 kg rice. Kg means kilogram. Rice is equals to 40 rupees. 1 kg rice, 40 rupees. So, cost of 900 kg rice is equals to 900 into 40 rupees. See. Listen carefully. So 900 into 40. So 0 is multiplied by any number, what we get? 0. So 0 into 0, 0. So 0, 0. Now one space cut it, 900 multiply with 4. So from right to left side. So 0 is multiplied with 4. 4 0, 0. 4 0, 0. 4 9 the 36. 9 is the last digit, we can write directly. See here. Zero, 0, 0, 6, 3. See, therefore, cost of 900 kg rice is equals to 36,000 rupees. Okay. So now next, page number 22nd one. A biscuit packet contains 50 biscuits. A biscuit packet contains 50 biscuits. A carton contains ఒక్కొక్క బిస్కెట్ ప్యాకెట్లో 20 బిస్కెట్లు ఉన్నాయి, 50 బిస్కెట్లు ఉన్నాయి. కాటన్ డబ్బా A carton contains 20 such packets. 20 biscuit packets ఉన్నాయి. Calculate the total number of biscuits in each carton. So total number of biscuits in the carton. So very simple, no? So one packet contains 50 biscuits. Two packet contains 2 into 50, 100. Three packet contains 3 into 50, 150. Four packet contains 4 into 50, 200. Five packet contains 5 into 50, 250. So like that only. How many packets are there? 20 packets are there. So you can write here. Number of biscuits in each packet. Number of biscuits in each packet. ఒక్కొక్క ప్యాకెట్లో ఎన్ని బిస్కెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిస్కెట్స్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ ప్యాకెట్స్ 50 బిస్కెట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. So number of cartons. Number of biscuit packets. Number of biscuit packets is equals to 20. The total number of biscuits. So the number of biscuits in the carton. In the carton is equals to, so 50 into 20 or 20 into 50. See here. So 20 cartons each catch, and so this is the total biscuit packets. So 20 biscuit packets into each biscuit packet has 50 biscuits. So that is equals to, you can 20 into 50, 0, 0, one space cut it, 5 0 0, 5 2 the 10. So 0 0 0 1. Therefore the number of biscuits in the carton is equals to 1000. Now next, see, listen, third one. Neelima goes to a shop to buy a frocks for her daughter. She observed 6 different types of frocks there. If each type of frock is available in 5 colors, అక్కడ 6 different types of frocks ఉన్నాయి. ఒక్కొక్క దానిలో 5 కలర్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. Each type of frock is available in 5 colors. How many number of frocks can she choose from? ఆమె ఎన్ని చూజ్ చేసుకుంది? See here, the number of colors available for each variety of frock. So the number of fracts from which she can choose to buy. So that is equals to 6 into 5, 6, 5 is the 30. See here, the number of colored available, 5 colors. So how many fractals are there? 6 types of. So 6 into 5, 6, 5 is the 30. See here, now next page number 21. An international toothpaste company has set up a new factory in India. Okay. An international toothpaste company has set up a new factory in India. It has opened 4 branches across India. 4 branches opened across India. They have estimated that each branch should be able to sell 3,70,846 toothpastes. ఒక్కొక్క బ్రాంచ్ వాళ్ళు 3,70,846 toothpaste sell. So how many toothpaste does the management think they can sell? మరి ఆ 4 బ్రాంచులలో ఎన్ని సేల్ అయ్యాయి? ఓకే, సి దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఈజీ. Number of branches. How many branches? Number of branches across India, 4 branches. Number of toothpastes. Each branch has to sell. ఒక్కొక్క బ్రాంచ్ ఎన్ని టూత్పేస్ట్ అమ్ముతుంది నాన్న? 3,70,846. So therefore the total number of toothpastes the company plans to sell is equals to, see here, look at the blackboard everybody, 3,70,846 is multiplied by 4. Right, everybody. First we multiply the digit in ones place with 4. See here, listen carefully. Already you know. Three lakh 70,846 multiplied by 4. See here, listen carefully. See, first we multiply the digit in ones place. First we multiply the digit in ones place with 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. In it, 4 is taking right under ones column and carrying 2. Now next Next, multiply the digit in tens place with 4. 4 4s are 16. 16, see here. The remaining 2 is there. This is carry over. Okay? 2. You can add, 2 is added to 16. What we get? 18. Again, 8 right under tens column, 1 is carrying. Next, you can multiply hundreds place digit. That is 8. 4 8s are 32. Carry is there? Yeah, 1 is there. You can add it to 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So 3 taking right under hundreds column. Next, carry over 3. Next, 4 0 0. 0 but carrying 3 is there. So 3 is added to 0. What we get? 3. So you can write 3. Now next, 3 is a 1 digit number, so there is no carrying. Now next, 4 7s are 28. Carrying is there? No. You can write 8 in thousands, under thousands column. Okay? 8 and carrying 2. Now next, this is the last digit. Once, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. See here. Four threes are 12 plus carrying how much is there here? 2. 12 plus 2, 14. This is the last digit. You can write directly. So 14 lakh 83,384. So the company plans to sell 14 lakh 83,384 toothpaste in India. So, my dear children, everybody practice at home. Stay home, be happy. Tomorrow discussed activity 2. Okay? Multiplication of large numbers also today completed. Thank you.